Dear guests, dear friends, my name is Tomer Broude. I'm from the Faculty of Law and also Social Sciences at the Hebrew University, and thank you all for attending this Torch of Learning luncheon honoring John Siffert, who I think I can identify somewhere out there. John, you have so many incredible professional achievements, and we're truly honored that you will now consider this award as one of them, especially given your long-standing involvement with the Hebrew University and its American friends. So congratulations and thank you very much. The Hebrew University and its Faculty of Law are centers of excellence in research and education, ranked among the best in the world. The Faculty of Law is Israel's oldest and most prestigious law school. We count among our alumni the majority of Israel's Supreme Court judges. They don't always vote as a majority, but nevertheless, in terms of numbers, then they are a majority. And no less importantly, looking ahead, a majority of Supreme Court clerks. Crucially, we maintain these achievements as a public university with limited funding, low tuition fees, and as a place where students from different parts of Israeli society can study on an equal footing. We believe that all segments of Israeli society with their diverse convictions, different backgrounds, can be empowered by knowledge and debate, by humanist ideals, and by mutual respect. So to illustrate this, let me tell you briefly about three individuals that I know personally from my work at the law faculty, who are both dear to me and also uniquely Israeli, though very different from each other. And I'll call them not by their real names, Leib, Christine, and Leah. So Leib is a lawyer with his own small practice. He is the youngest of 11 children raised in a rough neighborhood in West Jerusalem, and he now lives in an ideological right-wing settlement in the West Bank. Christine is a secular Greek Orthodox Arab from a village in the Galil in the north of Israel, and she worked for several years as a government lawyer and has a master's degree from American University and now serves as a clinical professor in one of our human rights clinics. Leah is a middle-aged ultra-Orthodox Haredi Jew from Bnei Brak in the center of Israel, a mother of 5 children. She leads a small feminist organization that calls for the inclusion of women in the leadership of the Haredi political parties in the Knesset. What brings these three individuals together? The Hebrew University Faculty of Law, and in particular our law clinics and the Minerva Center for Human Rights, of which I serve as the academic director. So I meet Leib and Christine every Friday at a master's course that I teach. They always sit together in the same row, but they share more than the law school bench. They also meet in court. Leib represents a settler organization on land issues in the West Bank. Christine, as a clinical professor, represents a group of 28 Israeli professors, myself included, who submitted an amicus brief to the Israeli Supreme Court on the very same issues. Yet despite these diametrically opposed positions, Leib and Christine share a friendship based on mutual respect and intellectual curiosity that can only exist in a place as special as the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. No less incredibly, in the clinical center and with the support of the Minerva Center for Human Rights, Christine represents Leah and her organization in the United Nations Committee for the Rights of Women, requesting its authoritative opinions on the question of political representation in Haredi political parties. So yes, we have an Israeli Arab feminist lawyer representing an ultra-Orthodox Jewish feminist organization in the UN. Like I said, probably only in Israel, and within Israel only at an institution like the Hebrew University can such relationships exist. So the Faculty of Law is extremely grateful for the American Friends' long-standing support that allows us to play such a central role in Israeli society. So thank you all for being part of this effort.